Hi, this is Dubiss Forex Academy. My name is Chinechike, the CEO of Dubiss Forex Academy. Welcome to our weekly analysis. Today is 17th of March 2025, and as usual, I'm always excited each time we come on board like this to give you analysis. And last week we had live analysis, as in we went live on YouTube, and I know that a lot of persons join us live, and I believe that you benefited so much for those of you that joined us. So I'm expecting your comment in the comment section. If this is your first time of joining our weekly analysis, please, I want to see your comment in the comment section. Subscribe to this channel. Ensure you share the video, like our video, share the video, encourage us so that we do more. Today, there are a lot we want to show you. Okay, what we normally do when it comes to analysis is to give you the direction of the markets. We don't go so much deep because we are going to analyze so many pairs. So we usually analyze so much pairs up to more than 10. We are going to analyze 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, almost 20 pairs we are going to analyze today. So because of that, we'll just make sure we give you the direction of the market, we give you the liquidity zone. We put into consideration smart money concept. These are the things we look at, both other blocks, fair value gaps, all these things we put into consideration and give you the liquidity zone where you can expect a reversal or a continuation pattern. So today we are going to start with XAUUSD, which is gold. Usually we normally like to start with gold, XAUUSD. So last week we were live last week on Monday, and we told you that we are still expecting gold to uh, go down, all right? And then we said that even though we're expecting gold to go down, that there is every possibility that gold could go and test 3,000, which is making a new high. We said it. Go and watch our last week video. Even though we were live, we also dropped another video where we analyze the gold, where we analyze gold. Go and watch our last week video. So we said that gold may touch 3,000, all right? Because nobody can actually say what will happen. What we are just doing is to forecast. We follow technical analysis, and also we look at fundamentals, and then based on what we are seeing or what we see, we take action. All right, even last week, yeah, we bought gold. Last 2 weeks we bought gold, and last week we told you we are looking out for a place where we can enter for a sell. Yeah, we had one trade last week we sent to our paid group for gold, and that particular one hit stop loss. We bought gold, we made profit, and then the last trade we took last week, yeah, we made profit. That was on Friday. That one made profit. I even sent it to the free group. So today we are selling gold. We started selling gold from 3,000 area, and we've already made 50 pips. I can show you our free group for you to see. Let me show you briefly. So this is our free group. The trade we sent to you. Look at it. Okay, you go to Dubiss Forex Academy on Telegram, Dubiss Forex Academy. So you can see results. All right, this is one of the results the trade we took last week. This was on Friday. Okay, so this is today, 17th of March. We already sent this trade. You can see on Friday. You see when we send a message that we are selling gold. Let's see. Yeah, let me see if I sent it here. Okay. All right. We didn't send trade here. Okay. So, but you can see some of the results last week, and we promise that this week we are going to be sending trade. Okay. Look at it. More than what that has made from our live analysis, live trading section we have. These are the results from our live trading sections. You can see these are profits from trades. Some of these trades are from our live section. Then some of them from the analysis we made last week. Okay, you can see the result. Both of these Forex Academy and Telegram, you see it. Alright, you can also follow me on Instagram. You can follow my page directly, Chinedu Chikeze. Alright, Chinedu Dubiss on Telegram. You see it. You can also follow our official page, Dubiss Forex Academy on Instagram. So look at the trade we have sent now. Okay, this trade already hit TP1, about hit TP2. Alright. Okay, so it's about 70 to 80 pips more trade percent on the free group. So once again, let's go back and show you our free group. I mean our chart. Let's go back to gold. Let's start with lower time frame. This higher time frame. On higher time frame, we are seeing a harmonic pattern which is still very valid. All right, last week gold eventually touched the 3,000 level. So after that, on Friday last week, we can see the closure. Now, let me give you a secret. Now, please pay attention. Pay attention. If today's candle closed below Friday candle, that is, if this candle closed as bearish, today is 17th of March. If it closes as a bearish candle, be rest assured that gold will move down at least 500 pips or more, 500 pips to 1000 pips, but at least 500 pips. But if you close below here, then it will come down to this point. If you measure from where it is right now to where I'm talking about, you see that this is over 500 pips. All right, we are talking about over 500 pips. If this pair close, if this candle closed below yesterday closure, I mean below Friday's closure, that is if you close as a bearish candle. All right, we'll come back next Monday to look at it. So for those of you that took the trade, congratulations, this is already 50 pips. All right, so let's go to lower time frame and also tell you why you need to consider selling gold at this moment. Yes, gold has been volatile. Each time I sell the trade, I say risky trade because of the way gold has been volatile. All right, gold has been bullish. But on H4, you can see the harmonic pattern also on H4. If you go to H1, you also see the same harmonic pattern on H1. So what is it telling you? It's telling you that this pair, the probability of going down is more than going up at this moment. Right, let's go to 30 minutes. You also see harmonic pattern on 30 minutes. There's also a harmonic pattern on 30 minutes. Right, already made profit for this one down here and it's back here again, and I'll send the trade for people to join. So this trade most likely will give us something like this. I want to take more time on gold. So giving us X, A, B, C, D, that's like the W. So that's why I say the first point of call as an action where you can look at to book your profit for this movement is around 2982. All right, around 2982. All right, before if the pair continues to move down, then of course we'll be looking at 500 pips plus. If you go to M5, you will still see harmonic pattern on the M5 also. Let me show you what we see. Sometimes we send you trade what we are looking at. All right. Okay, the M5, there was harmonic here from here, S, A, B, C, D. This is the D point. So it has come down, and already you can see it has already played out. If you measure from this D point down here, this is already, like I said, 80 70 pips plus. So there's still more room downward move. So this is how we trade. Okay, so this is what we are seeing on gold, right? So this week we believe that as far as 3,000 area is holding, then gold we move down. 3,000 area is a psychological level. Okay, so we're expecting a correction, and that's why we are trading gold at this point, selling gold. And I've already given you reason why you need to enter the trade. If you see the trade around below 3,000. All right, know that we are still selling. We are selling from 3,000. Currently, price around 2995, 2996, 2995. That's where the price is as at this time I'm making this video. So good have taken much time. So let's go to GBPUSD. GBPUSD last week from this first point of our liquidity zone we sold. This is daily candle. So this good profit. Look at it. This is over 80 pips, 90 pips. Then second level, which we told you, this is the second level where price is very close. So this week also, price is going close to the second level, which is also a place where you can sell from. So price is currently around second level. So it's still a valid trade for those that want to sell GBPUSD for a sell from this second point. This is our second entry point for GBPUSD. Then for Euro US, you can see the trend line we drew, okay? And from our first level, price moved down as predicted, okay? And over 80 pips as well. Right now, price is back again. Last week we traded this live when we were trading live. That last week we did live trading section. The CPI and the Canadian news we traded last Wednesday. So you can see this was Wednesday and it moved down. It was on Thursday, moved started moving up. This was Wednesday, so Thursday still moved down. It was on Friday that it moved up, and today right now, so price is back again to entry point. So um what we may likely see, let me show you something. Let's use this and highlight this level for you to know. All right, you can see the level. Look at this level is where the liquidity zone where we have highlighted. Okay, this is the trend line, this is the liquidity zone. So until this zone is broken before you see any further movement up. At the moment, as far as this zone is holding, then you should be expecting price to move down. So these are new analysis for Euro USD. So the last one we did, we moved up to 80 pips. So price is back to this zone. So it's a sell for me for Euro USD for this week. Then Euro GBP for this week, um Euro GBP did very well. Sometimes this pair can be annoying. It can, it can, if you are trading this pair, sometimes it can consolidate for a long time. You can see how many times it consolidated this place. This you can see here also before it actually moved. How many times it stayed here before it moved up. So we had a trade that is running on Euro GBP for a buy, and that trade from this point have hit our TP2, but from the analysis we did is over 150 pips. Look at it, 200 pips. So last week we told you that price we move up to at least mitigate this zone and then fall, and you can see that price move up and fall. So if you measure for those that trade for a sell, this is 85 pips, right? 85 pips. So if you want to buy this pair, which of course we are buying the pair for those that want to didn't join us when we started buying from this point, then you can wait for price to touch this zone. So let's delete all this one. This one has finished playing out. It have worked very well. So what you can do is, as price is trying to, don't buy at this point. You have to wait if you want to look for a new entry point. All right, for price to get back into this zone, and then from there you do what? You can buy, because we are still believing that Euro GBP will break this particular zone here. Euro GBP will break here, we're expecting Euro GBP to break this zone. But for it to break this zone, it may come down first. Okay, if you come down to at least take give us an entry point around this zone, and then you can buy. So let's bring it down more. So from this zone, we're expecting to buy Euro GBP. All right. Then for NZD USD, you can see NZD USD, and then please guys, give us a little thumbs up. Watch our videos, and more especially those of you that are trading our these setups we are giving you. Look at GBP, NZUSD, NZUSD. We're buying NZUSD for more than 2 weeks, and we told you that NZUSD from this until it gets to this point, for those that are looking for opportunity to sell, you should wait. This is the zone, and I told you then don't sell at that moment. Wait for it to get to this zone. So right now you can see the bullish candle. This is very bullish at this moment. So you don't need to chase the market. You need to hold on. Don't go and take entry at this moment. You need to wait, because most likely NZUSD may at least push up to this point, which is this zone that we are highlighted before. It may get up to this point, okay, before price we retrace. Sorry, before price will retrace. Get up to this point, okay, before it will retrace. So don't jump right now. NZUSD is very strong at this moment. That's why you're seeing this bullish movement, trying to break the structure. So congratulations, those that took the entry. So when we analyze, sometimes it will take time before it will play out. Be just patient. Market is about patient for you to trade and make money. Sometimes you may not see opportunity, and when you get the one that is working at that moment, please stick to it. Don't run away. I'm going to show you all the JPY pairs. All of them work well and they are moving. So if you're holding those pairs, guys, just partial close, move your stop loss, and then stay. Don't run away when you see anyone that is working out well. Okay. So USD card. Look at, we draw this. I draw this manually. This is not automatic harmonic pattern. I draw this even when we were, I think, when we were also doing live session. I showed you this. We draw this last analysis. So we told you that this is like that. When it hits here, I told you that USD card, we most likely have to hit here, respect here, which is respected, and started moving up. And then, but we told you that where we're looking at to take entry is around here to get the point. But as you can see that it came back to this, exactly this structure. If I remove this, let me remove uh this these things we put up here. You will see that where it got to, okay, you will see that this place is already like a resistance, a liquidity zone. It got here, but we're thinking that it will move up more before it fall, but it got here and started falling. You see that the analysis, the direction we are sending you is like more than 90% accurate, 90 to 95% analysis, because we give you the direction of the market. And yours is just to look for entry points, and then based on your equity, and you take your risk accordingly. But for those in paid group, we give them entry points. When USD card got to this point, we sold and we made 250 pips. So right now, price is coming closer here. So we need to watch out here, all right, around here to know what to do. So those in paid group, watch out for a trade. We may see, once we see a good rejection around this point, we may send trade for a buy. So right now, we need to watch first and see how here we play out. So GPCHF last week it broke. You can see that's why sometimes I tell you to, when trade is around a zone, a key level zone, you need to hold on first and know the direction before you take your trade. So he broke down here, broke back. So you can see that price is now above. So at the moment, now as far as price is above here, is to look for opportunity to buy GPCHF. So for now, I will stay out of GPCHF, all right, because I need to see how here price is still ranging within here to see if this place is holding very well. Then this is when, remember that our direction is that price will get to this point. If you are looking for opportunity to sell, so wait until price gets closer to this zone before you sell. At the moment now, you don't need to sell GBCHF because it has been broken again. Then for USD CHF, you can see USD CHF is still playing out based on what we analyzed last week. We say that if you move up and then from there it will fall. Look at it, it moved up. If you measure, if you are just following this analysis, the direction we are giving you, that's huge money for you. This is already 100 pips up movement. Right now price is falling back to this zone. If you want to buy, wait for price to get to this zone and then you buy again. Then for GBP JPY, look at JPY pairs like as I told you. Anyone you see that is playing out very well, please don't run away. In fact, I've made so much profit from GBP JPY. Immediately I saw that this zone is holding, I started, I entered my trade, and I didn't adjust partial close and move my stop loss, and I am still on the trade. Today again, I've closed some because I see that price is back. This place now, you can see how many times price touch. Each time price touch it will come down small. So it immediately touched there, I close. So it tried to break it. You can see price coming back again. So bet on a long run, this is where we want to see GBP based on the movement that have already started moving. Okay. So let's measure and see those that entered the trade with us last week. This is 400 something pips. We've made up to 250 pips for the trade we sent to paid group. Guys, please give us your feedback. I know some of you are actually trying now to give us feedback. We need more. We need more because these things are actually working as analyzed. We need more. Euro AUD last week. If you watch our video last week, we told you price broke here. We told you that we should expect a reversal. Okay, Euro AUD. The one we sent to paid group hit stop loss. We didn't send it again. But the one I sent on the free group, as in the analysis we send on the free group, we tell you to enter for a sell. The price will come down. So you can see that here is broken right now. So probably what we need to do now, once we wait and see a retest to give us an entry point for a sell, we'll send it to the paid group. At the moment, those in paid group have missed this trade because we didn't send it again when the trade we sent hit stop loss, so we didn't send it again for Euro AUD. So right now, those that followed us on free group, congratulations. Let's see how many pips from the up that we made. This is over 280 pips. Wow, this is amazing. Even Euro NZ, same thing with Euro NZ. Euro NZ also. Watch our last video, we told you that we're expecting price to retrace from the high, and this is over 300 pips. Same thing with GBNZD. Let me finish all the NZD. GBNZD, same thing. So GBNZD, but it's unfortunate that it didn't give us opportunity for those of us in free group to enjoy this free fall. But those in free group, I know you must have booked your profit. This is over 390. Look at the 390 pips move down. The same thing with GBP AUD. Look at GBP AUD. GBP AUD. See, this is 250 pips. So I want to know if you took GBP AUD, Euro AUD, GBP NZD, Euro Euro AUD, Euro NZD, GBP AUD, GBP NZD, please hit me in the comment section. I want to see. Please just let me know. All right, let us know how many pips you've closed from this pair. Then if you also took the JPY pairs, let's see the remaining JPY pairs. CHF, where is CHF JPY? Yeah, CHF JPY. This CHF JPY, we're already showing you GP JPY. CHF JPY, look at it. We told you that we are going to leave it. Even though it has stayed for how many days? This is over 2 weeks now. But this over 2 weeks now, we have been buying it and it's still moving our direction. This is already 280 pips plus. All right. So if you took all the JPY pairs, any of the JPY pairs, any of the NZD pairs, please hit me in the comment section. Please, let's have your feedback. Right? Let's have your feedback in the comment section. All right. So then I think I need to also show you Euro card and GBP card. So for GBP card is playing out very well as well. GBP card exactly from our entry point, which is the trend line. Look at the trend line. This is daily. candle. Look at daily analysis. This is daily analysis, okay? This is daily chart. Daily chart. So 1, 2, 3. And this is the fourth one. And I told you that we're expecting this price to flash down. So let's measure and see how many pips so far for GBP card. GBP card over 160 pips. Alright. GBP card actually did not hit our stop loss, it hit our TP, okay? The one I sent, and it's still working out, moving very well. Alright. Even Euro card as well. Look at Euro card. Euro card. Euro card has moved how many pips? Over 180 pips. So there's still more room down. For those of you that is seeing this video now, there's still more room down for Euro card, and there's still also more room down for GBP card. More room downwards for Euro card and GBP card. So if you miss out last week, you can still look for opportunity to sell Euro card and GBP card. So let me show you USD JPY. Last week USD JPY, you can see it's still the way we draw the line. This is where we were last week when we analyzed it on Monday, and this is where it got to. We went live on Monday and we also went live on Wednesday. So our live analysis on Monday were here, and I told you that we are going to be that the price has broken this zone, that is going to retrace to retest here, which it has done 270 pips. It has done this retest. So any moment price could fall to this zone. Note, price could also bounce back into this zone. So what you need to do is to watch out very well here to see a price action for a sell. Right now, it's mature anyway. USD JPY is currently at entry point for a sell. If you want to enter a sell here, please use a good risk like 100 pips. That's the risk. You can take your entry point around here for a sell. So the last week on for a buy, it has moved 270 pips. So we are waiting. We are now anticipating price to now fall into this zone. So this place is a point, a setup for a sell. 149. It started falling around 149. So between 149, right now it's around 14860 already. So it has already started moving down. Okay, so you can enter the trade for a sell and use a good risk. So basically, I think it's remaining one CAD JPY. So let's look at CAD JPY. CAD JPY. Look at CAD JPY. Last week, CAD JPY, I told you this was the harmonic pattern we saw. So, and look at the trade we sent even in the trade group has hit this over 250 pips, 270 pips profits. CAD JPY. This is amazing. This is awesome. Our analysis is spot on. All the JPY pairs did well, absolutely well. So what we can see, for those of you that are asking where should I eventually close out my trade, we can measure from this high here, to this. Let's see where price is. So this thing itself is not up to 38.2. So there's still more room upward. So you can still hold the trade. So the first point is around 104.88. This is around 38.2. We have 50.0, and then we'll have 61.8. So you can use Fibonacci to measure from this harmonic pattern, from this high here to this low. From this high to this low, you will see the points, the Fibonacci levels where you can close your profit. Of course, we're ready for our level trading, the one we're sending in the paid group. We used to, most of them are 50 pips. All right, the TP1, TP2, TP3 to TP5, 250 pips. So we've already collected 250 pips. For those of you that is following this analysis, you can target 38.2, 50.0, 61.8. All right, so we don't always like to make this to be long so that it should not be too long. So we always target 30 minutes, already 30 minutes. I don't know if we have time to just look at fundamentals. Let's see if we can look at fundamentals in 2 minutes. So we'll call it a day. Okay, so for fundamentals, we always like to use forexfactory.com. Okay, that's where you can get economic news. The other places, we have FX Street, we have more places. Bloomberg, you can get economic news, but we always like to use Forex Factory. Just go to forexfactory.com for those of you that have not been following us, and then look at the previous forecasted and then wait for actual. And what you're looking at is the red folders. Those red folders are high impact news. The orange folder is semi impact, high impact news, and then yellow folders are low impact news. So today we have core reversals, and that has already happened. So what we are waiting for is tomorrow. All right. So tomorrow we have good data forecasted for CPI for Canadian dollar. CAD CPI is tomorrow. Okay. So watch out for CAD CPI, 1:30 p.m. Nigerian time. So you can see that what they are forecasting is 0.6 uh percent. Okay, no, yeah, 0.6. Last time was 0.1, and now they are focusing 0.6. So it's a good forecast. You can see for the last 5 times it has worked out um, above forecasted twice, exactly as forecasted once. 2 times that it came out less than forecasted. So actual greater than forecast is good for currency. So tomorrow, I'm expecting CAD to be more stronger tomorrow. If this news come out positive as forecasted, then CAD will be more strong tomorrow. CAD will be stronger, right? CAD is already strong today, which is stronger tomorrow. Okay, we have 2.8 as well for trim CPI. So we have JPY, that's a BOJ policy statement. Okay, so tomorrow also is going to be win for TPY press. We have their BOJ press conference and then multi-policy statements. Of course, on Wednesday is FOMC, FOMC statement. That is Wednesday night. All right. And then you can just look at THF. Just go there, look at the red folders, and then you will trade accordingly. Wait for the outcome. It will guide you to know pairs that will be volatile and when the news will come out, and then you know what to do based on the outcome of the news. So thank you very much. Please register with our broker FXPRO and then fund your trading accounts. We have agreed that we are going to be having live trading section. We did one last week. It was awesome, amazing. By next month, we are having another live session, and that will be NFP and then CPI for next month. But before then, we'll have live analysis together. We'll go live on our analysis, and that will be end of this month of March. Watch out for that. Don't miss it. Subscribe to our channel, Dubiss Forex Academy. Follow us on all all social media handles, Dubiss Forex Academy. Thank you very much for watching. See you next week. Cheers, guys. Bye, everyone.